STEMbite.
For this STEMbite, I'd like to show you one of my favorite toys. They're called Buckey Balls. Buckey Balls are these tiny little magnetic spheres, and they're really strong and they stick together really well, and you can build all sorts of crazy things out of them. See, I can turn this little chain into a triangle. Then I can take the triangles and make larger structures. Cool. One of the things I like the most about Buckey Balls is that they illustrate the importance of carbon. So you know our periodic table is full of all kinds of different elements, but carbon is super important, especially to life, because carbon bonds to itself, just like these Buckey Balls. And so you can make a chain of carbon atoms. That means you can make just about any shape imaginable by stringing together a whole bunch of carbon. Carbon is the key ingredient in all organic molecules, and it shouldn't be surprising. The complicated molecules that make up living systems, right, rely on carbon to build these super complicated structures. There's a beautiful symmetry in the complicated organic molecules of life, but carbon can have applications even beyond life. Scientists have begun engineering whole new types of material out of carbon. You may have heard of carbon nanotubes, right? These are long, very, very thin tubes, like this, except much, much smaller, built entirely out of carbon. They're some of the strongest materials that have ever been created, all because of this unique chain linking property that we see in Buckey Balls, but that we also see in carbon atoms.
STEMbite.